Hi guys, Catherine here. Welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this very simple and delicious vegetable stir fry thing. It's absolutely easy to prepare, and here are some of the ingredients that you're going to need. As always, these ingredients are totally customizable and feel free to use whatever vegetables that you have. But in today's video, I'll be using spinach, which I have grown myself. I know it's looking rugged, but you know, at least I tried. I'm using both spinach and scent leaf for today's recipe, but feel free to use whatever vegetables that you have. So first things first, you want to go ahead and prep your ingredients. So here I'm just breaking up the smoked fish and just removing as many bones as I can. So just try to remove as many bones as you possibly can from the fish. So yeah, this recipe can be paired with anything that you like. You can use rice, yam, sweet potatoes, pasta, whatever really. But for today, I've decided to pair it with unripe plantains because they're absolutely delicious and very healthy, filled with lots of iron and, you know, generally good for you. So I'm just peeling up the plantains here and just chopping it into smaller pieces so they can cook very quickly. So here I'm cleaning out my vegetables. I'm doing it individually because, you know, it's very small quantity, and you know, my spinach is basically rolling on the ground the way I've planted it. But just make sure to clean out your vegetables as best as you can and give them a rough chop, okay? So here I've just added some butter to my pan. Feel free to use whatever oil that you like. You can use vegetable oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, palm oil, whatever it is that you have. I like butter because it gives it a different vibe, you know. So yeah, I've just gone in with my onions and my garlic. I'm just gonna fry everything until it's really nice and fragrant. And I've gone in with my Tatashe. I don't know what's called in English, but yeah, do let me know guys if you prefer these types of videos where I'm explaining what I'm doing inside the video, or you prefer me to just do the video and let you guys watch. My channel is a new channel, so I'm kind of trying lots of things out to see what works. But please let me know in the comment section what you would like and how you'd like the videos to be, okay? So yeah, I've just got in with some spices to spice things up. I like to build in my flavors rather than put everything at the end. So yeah, I've gone in with some spices. Now I've added the crayfish, and because the tatashe is not very hot, I've gone in with some Cameroon pepper for some extra heat. So in goes my fish, and because the fish is already cooked, all I'm doing here is just trying to incorporate everything and not to cook it because it's already cooked. So yeah, if you're using more than one vegetable like I'm using, please go in with the stronger one first. So here I'm going in with the scent leaf first because it's a lot tougher than the spinach. And the idea here is not to cook any of these vegetables because, as you will see, I'm going to cook them a bit later. So yeah, you want to make sure everything is well incorporated, and here comes my favorite part, the eggs. So I like to add eggs to this recipe. Here I'm using 3 eggs. Feel free to leave the eggs out if you don't like it, but this is absolutely my favorite part. So I just heat the whole thing with some salt and some black pepper, and I put a lid on, and then I let it cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. You see why you don't need to cook the vegetables before. So yeah, the eggs are cooked through. I know that it looks runny, but trust me, it is very strong and absolutely cooked, okay? So don't worry about that. And by this time your plantains should be ready as well, and there you have it. A very simple, easy, delicious, highly nutritious meal that you can just whip up in 10 minutes. Really, it's that easy. So yeah, let me know if you liked this video by giving me a thumbs up. And if you decide to recreate this recipe, please do tag me on Instagram. It will make me really happy. I'll link my account in the description box below. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next Food Friday video. Bye!